So, do you guys know what we're doing today?
No.
It was meant to be a surprise.
And it was a surprise, even right through to the end of the day.
I think they figured it out by that point.
No, they only figured it out when we drove into the car park.
Clues have we given you this morning?
I can't remember. There's something about hairdo.
Yep, so I had to be mindful about how I did your hair so that you are comfortable for the activity. Yes, that was the other clue we said, that we're going in some sort of machine.
So,
It could be a sea scooter. Yeah, submarine, plane, helicopter. It has to be any glass bottom boat, maybe. It has to be something that has a long ride and it moves lots. Because that's why I had the tablet.
So what are all the things you've come up with that you think it could be?
I'm inspecting you.
You're interrogating me, are you? Okay.
Submarine,
Hey.
plane, helicopter, water skiing. Is it human powered or is it like petrol powered, steam powered, diesel powered?
you have to flap your little wings.
That's why it was important for your hair to be done properly.
Keep your hair out of your eyes.
So yours can spin like this and yours, Lily, can flap.
So, spin and flap. Bird? That's not a
Yes, we're riding birds.
That's not a machine.
No, that's not a machine.
I have no idea.
They've got some idea.
No, they got
They're,
couldn't buy a clue if they wanted one.
they're busting to know so badly. So we're about to leave. We've given Lily her motion sickness tablet. And
It's like a 5-minute drive.
but yeah, it's really funny because they're like, is it a summer? I love the fact that our kids think we can afford a submarine.
Yeah, pocket change. Didn't you know?
Exciting. All right, so we've booked
Helicopter flight.
for the
We're
kids.
going to fly for half an hour out over the reef.
So the reason we said depends on your hair is because of the headphones, like the.
Well, we hope they're going to have.
I think they
headphones.
have to.
Yeah.
And sunglasses because there might be a lot of glare. That was pretty cool.
Because there was a helicopter sitting on the ground. And we drove up and we went, right, here we are. We're getting in the helicopter, guys.
It's not a helicopter because we're going past the helicopter place.
Oh, was there a helicopter place, was there?
Yeah, that right there.
Oh, I didn't see that.
We're going there. Daddy's just going around in circles.
Oh, am I?
Yes! Oh, we're going. It's a helicopter. No, this is our resort. What? No.
What?
What are you doing, Daddy? Wait, is it a helicopter? I said helicopter. This is the place. It says Great Barrier Reef helicopters. We're going in a helicopter. We're going on a helicopter.
Come on, Lil.
I told you we would see it from here. That one's big.
Tighten up like so. I'll double check that they are tight enough. Don't want too tight, but when you are instructed to leave the aircraft and inflate your life jackets, pull down on the red beads.
No, we're not jumping out. It's okay.
No. It's
Oh my gosh, she looks so scared then.
Chill out.
Promise? That's not happening.
We're white.
You're my sunshine every morning, light up every moment, make my every dream come true. Oh, I can't describe it. Took my tongue and tied it, sent my Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that life's a dance? Come take my hand and fly away with me.
Which reef?
Oh, I don't know actually.
Bat Reef.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, he did, because then he was making Batman references. I remember that now. Yeah. And we saw manta ray, dugongs, and just in general, it was just so stunning just to see the reef from that point of view. You just get such an awesome idea of just the magnitude of this thing from the air. It's absolutely mind-blowing.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind